Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for ARK Survival Error Code CE-120994-5. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that some of the visuals in the video are generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when players try to save their game on their PlayStation console. Many players reported that after the latest update, they can no longer save any progress in single-player mode, and every time they attempt to save, they get this error. According to our research, this error likely happens because of corrupted save data or an issue with the game's stored files. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your console along with your network. After restarting, check if you need to update the game or your device firmware. Once done, try saving the game again. If the error still comes, then you may need to delete all ARK data along with its saved files. Please note that doing this will erase all of your progress, and you will need to start the game from the beginning. So only try this step if you don't mind losing your saved data. So if you are okay with deleting all ARK data along with its saved files, then delete them and check for the error. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.